Mistakes. I hate to see homeowners make mistakes. And the enemy to me are contractors that sell these pieces of to homeowners, and homeowners think they're getting a product that's going to last a long time. Mechanically fastened sashes. Let me show you this. This is a sash. These are low-end windows. Sometimes you'll get them from large franchise companies that sell windows all over America. We sell the most windows in America. Yeah, that's right they do, because you got to change them all the time. If they're held together with screws, stay away from this. This is what's called a mechanically fastened sash. You want fusion welded. Why? Because it's New England. And in New England, it's going to be 100 degrees in the summer, minus 10 in the winter. Huge temperature changes. So if you're going to put a window that you're going to put in Arizona or New Mexico, guess what? It's not going to work the same in New England. As you see the screws here, they're all rust. It's New England. There's going to be water down there. It rains in New England. It's going to be 100 degrees in the summer, minus 20 in the winter. So these sashes are going to expand and contract. When they expand and contract, air gets in there, and then you get seal failure, seal failure, seal failure. And now you can't see out the windows. But here's the thing. This what aggravates me so much is that contractors know this is going to happen. They know that the seals are going to break. They know that the homeowner doesn't know what they're buying. All the homeowner thinks is, hey, it's better than the wood window I had, right? But unfortunately, 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road, it's going to end up in the dumpster. That's a shame.